Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all of you for your love and support. So guys, today I would like to share some information about top architects of the world and their famous buildings. So let's get started without wasting our time. So let's begin with Antoni Gaudi. Antoni Gaudi spent his entire career in Barcelona, where he built all of his projects. The most famous project is La Sagrada Familia, which is still under construction. His style was a mix of Baroque, Gothic, Moorish and Victorian elements. Some of the famous buildings of Antoni Gaudi are La Sagrada Familia, Casa Mila, Parc Güell, Casa Vicens, Casa Batlló. Next on our list of top architects is Frank Lloyd Wright. Inspired by the low-lying buildings of America, he created the prayer house style. Some of the famous buildings of Frank Lloyd Wright are Falling Water, Grey Cliff, the Darwin Martin House, Robbie House, and Guggenheim Museum. So the number 3 in our top architect list is architect Norman Foster. Architect Norman Foster worked as an associate of Buckminster Fuller in early stages of his career. Inspired from the triangular patterns, his most famous buildings have similar surfaces treatment for facades. So the sum of the great works of Norman Foster's are the Gherkin, City Hall, London, Apple Park, the Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, the Slide Auditorium. And the next architect in our list is Mies van der Rohe. Famous for his words "less is more," brought architecture to the basic geometric forms, paving a path towards minimalism. He banished all the traces of ornamentation, using the innate qualities of materials such as steel and plate glass to define the look of his buildings. Some of his famous buildings are Barcelona Pavilion, Villa Tugendhat, Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Library, Farnsworth House, IBM Building, Chicago. The fifth architect in our list is Philip Johnson. Philip Johnson was an American architect and a critic known for his promotion of international style and later for his role of defining postmodernist architecture. He was also a designer in his own right, though it's fair to say that he was more of the refiner of other works area than he was an innovator. His work achieved iconic status in the number of cases, most notably in his residence Glass House. Some of the iconic works of Philip Johnson's are the Glass House, Crystal Cathedral, Seagram Building, 550 Madison Avenue, Fort Worth Water Gardens. Renzo Piano. Unlike other architects on the list, Renzo Piano is not famous for his singular style. Instead of his buildings range from neo-brutalist Whitney Museum's home to elegant light-filled Menil collection in Texas. Some of the very famous works of Renzo Piano are The Shard, Whitney Museum, Foundation Baylor, Centro Botin, Genova Aquarium. Number 7. Santiago Calatrava. Known for his futuristic designs which attracted worldwide attention. His work are World Trade Center Transportation Hub, Turning Torso, the O'Hare Global Terminal, Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia Opera House, Athens Olympic Sports Complex, Museum of Tomorrow. The list will be incomplete with Frank O'Gehry, the most famous architect in the world right now, for his work 1997 designed for Guggenheim Museum, which is situated in Bilbao, Spain. Most of his structures seem to be challenging gravity and conventional construction methods. Other of his works are Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, Walt Disney Concert Hall, The Dancing House, Olympic Fish Pavilion, Wiseman Art Museum. Ninth famous architect in our list is Richard Rogers, famous for his Pompidou Center, which became the epitome of a trend. Richard Rogers designed many high-tech and structural expressionist buildings. Some of the notable work of Richard Rogers are Pompidou Center, Lloyd's Building, Millennium Dome, and European Court of Human Rights. So that is it today guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please do share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. And if you have any suggestion, please let me know in a comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.